Hi everyone, my name is Habib Diallo, and today I'll be presenting my midterm project for this project. So I analyzed the IRIS dataset using Python. The IRIS dataset is well-known dataset that contain information about three different species of flowers: Setosa, versicolor, and Virginica. So the dataset include measurements such as sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. The goal of this project is to explore the data and identifying the pattern and gain insight through the statistical analysis and visualization. So the first thing that I did was to import the necessary Python library, including Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, Matplotlib, and Specie. This library helped me to lead and organize, analyze and visualize the data after importing the library that loaded the Iris dataset into my notebook. Next, I perform the data quality check. I use function to inspect the dataset and verify the numbers of rows and columns. I also check for missing values and duplicate record. This is an important step in any data analysis project because inaccurate or incomplete data can affect the result. After checking the dataset, I confirm that there were no missing values. So after cleaning and verifying the dataset, I explored the data using descriptive statistic. I calculated values such as the mean, minimum, maximum, and standard deviation for the numerical columns. The statistic helped me to understand the average measurement and the flowers. So how much variation existed within the dataset, looking at the values provided for a general overview. The next step was creating visualization. Visualization are useful because they allow us to identify trends, pattern more easily than looking at a raw number. So I created several chart including histograms, box plot, and count plot. The histogram showed how the measurement was distributed across the data set. The box plot helped me to identify and spread the data in any potential outliers. I also created a pair plot, which is one of the most useful visualization of this data. The pair plot allowed me to compare the numerical variable and the same time observe how they relate to one another by using different color to each flower. So I was able to see how much the species differ based on the measurement. One of the most noticeable findings was the Setosa species and it clearly separate from the other two species. In addition to visualizing, I performed a regression analysis to examine the relationship between petal length, petal width. Regression analysis had determined whether there is a relationship between two variables. The results showed a strong positive relationship between petal length and petal width. So basically saying the length increase, petal width tend to increase as well. So overall, this project demonstrated how the data analysis can be used to uncover meaningful information from a data set by cleaning the data, calculating descriptive statistic, creating and visualizing, and perform regression analysis. So I was able to better understand the characteristic of three flower species. The results show a strong relationship between certain variables. It highlighted the importance of petal measurement and distinguish between species. So thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope this analysis help you understand what I've been working on for the last few days. Thank you so much. So this is everything that I've been doing. I hope you understand what I'm just saying, even though I have a heavy accent. Thank you so much.